Hello and welcome to a video where I'll be exploring how to create some very organic spline shapes within 3ds Max. To get started, we're going to go to the Create panel, ensure that Splines is selected. I'm going to choose Line, and then I'm going to draw in one of the viewports. I'm actually going to draw on the top, so you have a little bit more control over what you can see. Great, I've drawn my shape. And when you're viewing from the top and also the front viewport, you can see from the front viewport that it is flat as a 2D shape within our project. Next, we're going to rotate the shape. So we're going to select this function, the rotate function up the top. Now you can choose, you want to make sure that we're choosing the yellow axes here. So you can choose a rotation that's off-centered, or if we go down to this little section here, we can type 90 degrees and we'll get a 90-degree angle. Now we can see from the front viewport that it's actually sitting underneath this grid, as you can see in the perspective. So I'm actually going to move our shape up. Excellent. Now I'm going to move into this viewport, so I'm going to maximize the viewport. I'm going to rotate around, and now I'm going to draw another shape. So I'm going to make sure I'm in Create, Shape, that N-gon is highlighted, and then if we look down at the parameters, we can see we can create all different shapes that have different sides. So if we were to draw a shape with 3 sides, that's a triangle. 5 is a polygon. So we're just changing here and going up and up and up until we are creating a shape of what we want. I'm going to stick with a square. And next, I'm going to go up to the Select Object. I'm going to select our spline line, go to the Modify panel, drop down this drop box, and I'm going to find Sweep. There's Sweep. So if I want this sweep modified default shape to be different and to take on this shape that we've just drawn beforehand, you can go over to the Use Custom selection and then pick, and then you can choose this shape, and you can see that it's immediately changed the formation of the spline that we had. Now you can go down to the sweep parameters and you can change the parameters here to make the shape closer on the X axis or to change on the Y axis. This is just one of the functions that you can use to create a really organic shape within your model.